ladies and gentlemen, this is Bill, and there's a lot of refinancing going on. Hey, look at this crowd tonight. Thank you all for coming out. Hey, I got a question for you. By a show of hands, who's refinanced here lately? You refinanced? You did too? Hey, I got a question for you guys. Did you walk bow-legged for a couple of weeks after you refinanced like me? I felt like I went to a proctologist to get a tooth pulled. But here's the good news. They say you only got to do that like 2 or 3 times before it doesn't hurt anymore. So we got some time to heal. What about... See, you don't always have to refinance to get a lower payment. Come talk to us. We want you to know what we know. We want you to know there's a better life through better banking, and you don't have to be rich to be financially independent. So come talk to us. Thanks.